climate change and the influence of man. That's sad, isn't it?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
It means that
I
there
can
used to be a marsupial lion. Big one, isn't it? Oh, look at this one over here. That big one there, look.
Thinking of leaving this track.
This
Don't be a
track.
trampler.
Don't be a trampler.
What does that mean?
It means that if you go in there, you might damage the tree and break it, so they like you to keep on the
You
track.
don't want to kill the rainforest, do you?
No.
Penalties apply.
Wonder what tree that's called.
I wonder if it's that Dumpy one.
Oh, and look at
No.
that. Look at that. Look at that.
So look, you can see inside. Could be one of those trees that surround another tree. There you go. Now wave, Jack. And Bethan.
You'll do the chicken dance, Bethan.
I don't want to be.
We'll do our own baby dance.
Not the chicken dance.
Let's want to be that. Let's break things up. Next you go.
We'll do the baby dance.
Baby dance. Baby dance.
This is a very pretty, wonderful rainforest because
Give
it's
me
not
back my
raining.
fishing net.
Oh no, this is mine now until we leave.
Look at that white twine on that one.
Wow.
Huge, isn't it? Go and stand by the vine so you can...
Wow, it goes up and up and up. And up. The lizard. Oh look, it's a lizard. Don't touch that thing there.
Don't frighten him.
No, just touching the stick.
Oh, there's another one over there.
Yeah, well, calm down.
There's two, Jackie.
Oh yeah.
Another one over there.
So what type of lizard are they, Bethan? Make something up,
Giant
quick.
can see it.
lizard. It's a giant lizard.
That's a different one to the ones we normally see, isn't it? Is
Yeah,
it
the
this
green
thing?
tree lizard.
Oh, and
Isn't it?
look at this.
Some amazing trees.
Look at that one there.
Between rainforest and the dry eucalyptic forest, these trees probably germinated 100 years during a drier climate period, when fires were more common, with wetter times and perhaps the absence of the aboriginal burning in the last 150 years. It gradually becomes
this tree.
surrounded by rainforest. No more seed will germinate after these have died until future climate changes again allow fire into the forest. Oh, so they could die out as well.
So it's the last tree of its type until the climate change. Look at the size of those trees.
That's pepper.
Type of kangaroo called pottery.
No.
There it is,
Okay.
look.
Well, Mr. Adventurer, you just tell us what exactly it is.
What is it then?
A pillow melon.
A paddy melon.
Melon, is
Oh,
it?
Yeah.
that's it. I can't remember which one it is. Paddy
It's
melon
got
or
this
pottery.
red
Paddy melon's
hair.
not kangaroo
It's a
island,
pillow
that's the pottery.
melon. Yeah, it got a red head. It has got a bit of a red head.
Got a bit of a red head, is it?
can really blend in between the vines.
I want to see the catbird.
The catbirds.
Catbirds are black. They're about this big. They've got a little forked tail.
Sorry, darling.
So if you and they always stay up high. And when you walk up there, when you go up that way, you'll hear. And that's a wampu pigeon. It's about this big, really big one.
Oh, they're bigger, right?
They're huge.
You stopped and read the signs, so didn't you? Doesn't tell you
It's actually the biggest pigeon up in Queensland.
He's coming closer.
Oh, here comes the pottery thingy.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at him.
Wait.
He's just by there, look. Oh, look, he's hopping.
I saw the crayfish home.
That's a crayfish hole,
Look,
is
he
that?
can't. Whoa. So what's happened? Is it meant to be even a bird?
Well, that's it. It's the catbird that making that sound.
Where? What sounds like a baby
There's
to
a
me?
dog that lives near us.
Oh, well, we did.
Woo.
What was that noise then?
I don't know.
Sounded like the lesser spotted Beffin bird.
Pardon?
It was the Beffin bird. You don't see many of them anymore. If you wave at them, they tend to wave back. It is amazing. And if you go too close, they'll run. And there we go.
Can you hear that cry sound?
I can hear it.
The cry sound exactly is a catbird.
It's a catbird. This is young Beffin, and we've been walking for so long she's tired and she won't move another muscle. And she's calling for help to the local indigenous population. And they're calling back. We're leaving. No. Unless it's big, I don't want to film it. Don't be a stamper. Tramper. Look at that, that's weird. Weird tree. Very weird. The weird root formation. Amazing.
Hello.
Hi there.
Okay.
That is weird. It's what we've seen a few of. The red-legged panda melon. Interesting. It's a bush turkey. These kids would scare them away. Uh-oh, there he goes.
Five.
So here we are, with Beffin leading as usual. She's very tired. But we've just been walking all day around this rainforest with me and Jackie and little Beffin, who doesn't want to be on camera. Do you?
You watch with me at the camera.
Say hello to Beffin. Here she is.
Say hi, Mum and Dad.
Hi Mum, hi Dad.
Hi Dad. And we're leaving just in time. There's a whole bunch of people coming down the path in front of us. And they'll make too much noise and scare away all the wildlife. There you go. Zoop. And there they are. It's coming this way.